All right, everybody, we had in my opinion, a pretty badass car meet. It was our first one. We only promoted it for maybe like 3 weeks ahead of time. I can't take credit for any of it. Kayla pretty much single-handedly orchestrated the entire event. I am not near that organized with that type of stuff. So I think she did a phenomenal job. We had a lot of people come out and support it, and so much so, we decided to start doing it every month. Wanted to pick something that's like a good cause that a lot of people can get behind. Pro-police, so I just want to do something that's like just positive. There's a lot of negativity going on. I'm sure you all watch social media and the news, so we're just gonna do it every month. A lot of people, reached out and said how much they liked it, so this month we're gonna do Toys for Tots. I think that's a super good cause. The Marines are really involved with that. There's a lot of kids that, unfortunately, sometimes don't have the best scenario at Christmas, so we're gonna try to do something positive as best we can for that. And then I wanna continue it on with something positive every single month. So if you all have any ideas, I want your all's opinion on any kind of type of charity, anything that's like really, really positive, some people or some organizations that could use some help. I love your all's feedback, so if you could leave it in the comments, try to give us some ideas on some stuff that we might not be aware of, that would greatly help us. And then anything that you all can think of that we can do to help these organizations specifically, that basically kind of ties in with what we do. So here's some of our favorite cars, especially my favorite cars from the meet. Okay, so as you can see, pretty good turnout. We had a lot of police show up, which really that's what the event was for, to show our appreciation for them. We even had police officers as far as Ohio fly in for this event, which is honestly like flattering to me. Like I really don't know what to say about that. We're the ones that are super appreciative of what they do. The fact that they would fly in to see the shop and to attend the event is really meaningful to us. So we thank you and we appreciate that. So we actually had a chance to talk to a few of them, and this is what they had to say.
Hi guys, my name's Luke. Me and my friend Kyle here, we came all the way from Ohio for the event. I started in corrections when I was 18. I've been doing it for 5 years, and had an interest in Hellcats particularly. So back this past March, I purchased a Red Eye and kept up on the Forza videos and gained as much knowledge as I possibly could, and did some modifications to it. And here we are. We came down. Everybody's been great to us and welcoming. We just had a little burnout competition, which was great. There's lots of cars out here, and the shop's very nice. We're happy we came down, and I guess this is going to be a once-a-month thing, so that'd be great. We'll maybe come back next month, maybe move a little bit closer, attend it a little bit more. Yeah, as soon as I saw they were doing a Back to Blue event, and it's Clearwater, Florida, we said, yeah, we're going to go down and spend the whole day down in Forza and meet people and check out a bunch of badass Hellcats, Trackhawks, the Elephant motors in there, the Demon Hawks in there. I mean,
all right, guys, like he said, my name's Kyle. I served for 6 years. Now I'm currently in law enforcement as a police officer. For Forza to put on this event, it just means the world to me and all my brothers, and serving and stuff. We greatly appreciate it. It was a great turnout. All the vehicles, all the staff and everything. Forza have been great, and I hope they keep doing it. Hope they continue to do it. We'll come down every single time, and like he said, hopefully next time we'll be closer. We'll be within driving distance. Pensacola County Sheriff's out here taking pictures of all the cars and stuff. So
yeah, shout out to the sheriffs that stopped by earlier. We didn't catch their names, but thank them for stopping by, and thank them for serving every day and saving our asses day in, day out. There's no question.
So we had a Back to Blue burnout contest, and a lot of other people want to get involved. It was completely monitored. There was safety staff on there, so although it looks a little crazy, it was very meticulously planned out. So safety was at the utmost concern. So we kind of gave awards to whoever we thought and the crowd thought was the best, but we'd love to hear y'all's input. So any of y'all that couldn't attend the event, or even if you were there, check them out and let us know in the comments which one did you think was the best, and let us know. So we were lucky enough to have a lot of cool stuff to raffle off for people. Amsoil gave a $150 free gift certificate. Sarah Haro from the Netflix Hyperdrive, she donated like a ride along with her. I wish I'd won it, but I didn't. So that was pretty cool. So a lot of people went above and beyond to try to participate in it, which we greatly appreciate. So we're really looking forward to the next event. So if you were there, or even if you weren't, if you have any suggestions on some things that you would like to see, some things you think that we could have made it better, we've already got a lot of ideas, but you know, like I said, it was our first event. We'd love some positive feedback, and we'd like to do this event for you all. A lot of people want to come and see the shop. And so it gives us an opportunity to talk to people when we're not, you know, working. We could focus on showing people the shop, answering questions, stuff like that. And you know, I just want to say thank you for showing the support that you do. It really means a lot to us.
Everybody, we're getting ready to do the raffle, so I'm going to give the honor to Chalupe right here, and him and Braxton are going to draw the winner. So here you go, Chalupe. You ready to do this, bud? First and foremost, thanks everybody for coming out and showing love and support. We're getting ready to do the raffle. Which one you want to start first? Alrighty. Starting off with the Grand Prix 3 races plus membership. You got my buddy here? Go for it. What's that number? Maryland C. Ticket is 225093. 225093. Hey, there we go. Let's give it up. Yes, sir. So there's your. Are you there, right there, brother? Yeah, no, yeah. Wait, it should be here. Alright, come on. Alright, which one now? Next one is the Amsoil 150, I believe, gift card or something. Ready? Draw it. Pick a good one. Alrighty, lucky number is his name's Sal. This one is 225263. There you go. Give it up for Sal, boys. Alrighty, this next raffle is for one ride along with Sarah Haro. Alright, this one's 225060. 225060. There you go, brother.
So at the end of the event, everybody leaving, it got kind of a little bit rowdy. So here's a little montage of what that looked like. So hope y'all like that. So the next event we're super pumped about, a lot of positive feedback. So the next event is Sunday, December 20th. We're gonna make it from 1 to 5. So if you can come out, check it out. We'd love to talk to you all, I'd love to meet you all. It was brought to my attention that only about 20% of the people that religiously watch our videos actually subscribe to our channel. So please, if you like the videos that we do and you want to help support us, the best thing that you can do is subscribe to our channel. That tells YouTube that people are interested in the videos and that people want to see what we're putting out, and that helps us be seen. So if you like the stuff that we're doing, we greatly appreciate your support, but please subscribe to the channel, that way you get notifications, like the videos, and leave us comments, give us feedback. We love hearing it. So again, thank you again. We appreciate everything, and we'll see you next time.